the less stuff I have, the more focus I have on what's most important. My mission. You. Showing you that you can do anything you want to do, because if you want to do something, you'll find the way. If you don't, you'll find an excuse. This is RV life, and I'm living in it's an RV. And I want what I want, which is to become a superstar, have billions of dollars, so that I can show you, I don't even know if you can see this, so that I can show you what's possible for you, okay? I go to the bathroom in a toilet that has you'll see that one, but it's in here. I go to the bathroom in the toilet, I have no water. I buy lots of water in here. I put a bag in there, garbage bag, and, because what's putting up with a lot of shit now, I don't have to put up with as much shit later, If you want to do what you want to do, you're going to find the way. If you really want it, you'll find the way. And if you don't, you'll find an excuse and someone to blame. But you won't blame me, because you pay the price for your poverty and I pay the prices for my victories. I'm worth it. You are worth it. And when you want to find the way, you'll find me. My name is Liberty V Justice. There's no period in my V because my victories never end. And I'm here to help you get your victories. Legends, you're worth it.